How to use Darwinbox. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to give you the full tutorial on how to use Darwinbox. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Step 1. Log into the Darwinbox application using your employee ID and password, then click the sign in button. Step 2. After logging in, a daily survey pulse will appear which you can fill in as needed. Step 3. Over here, you will see different features in Darwinbox. Taskbox. View tasks assigned to employees. Employee. Search for co-worker details using name or employee ID. Why? A social media feature to share information, fill out surveys, and join discussions. Compensation. View payslips, tax reports, and employee compensation details. Attendance. Check work hours, number of attendances, and apply for leave. Leave. Apply for leave and check leave balance. HR document. Access HR related documents like policies, SOPs, and letters. Recruitment. Managers can submit new manpower requests and post job vacancies. Calendar. View leave schedules, company events, and personal agenda. Performance. Check performance appraisals and related information. Help desk. Submit private queries or complaints. Recognition. Appreciate and recognize colleagues. Report. Download employment related data as needed. Organization view. Check the organizational structure. Profile view. View detailed personal and employee data. Step 4. Then, on the profile menu, employees can access personal details used for BPJS health and employment registration. Employee details. View employment history and submit HR related requests. Employee lifecycle includes confirmation for contract evaluations. Separation. Submit resignation requests. Step 5. Other important features include QR code, log in automatically via mobile, change password, update your Darwinbox login credentials, change language, modify the application language, log out, sign out from the Darwinbox app. So that's all for this video.